Hello, how are you? I am back again and I was not planning on filming today, but Mary is having a nap and I got the brand new Glossybox, so here I am. Also, don't look behind me, the place is an absolute mess. Okay, so let's get on with it, let's crack it open because I'm hopeful about this box. It feels very weighty and yeah, that's usually a good sign, so let's get in there. So this box is of course the classic pink box, it's not a limited edition box. I always like to get the pink boxes. I just think they're so pretty. Like, I don't know, they're so classic. They feel so nostalgic. I love them. Anyway, let's crack in. And here is the box. You can see I've not yet opened it, but I have peeked in the corners. Okay, I had a hunch this would be a good box and I was correct. Let me show you. So this is the first item. This is After Sun. It's from Feel Free, who I've never heard of, but it's natural sun care and I really needed some new After Sun, so I'm very excited about this. And it's a nice big bottle. Look at that, 200 ml. Okay, as for the smell, it smells like chamomile and ice cream in a good way. Ooh, delicious. Okay, next item. And next up we have an eyelash curler. I actually don't have an eyelash curler and I am planning on curling my eyelashes for the wedding day. So I will be using this in 2 weeks time. 2 weeks time. Can you believe I'm getting married in 2 weeks time? That is wild. Okay, next up, this might be my favorite item. This is from Neutrogena. So this is the Hydro Boost Water Gel Cleanser and it is a full size bottle. I really like Neutrogena cleanser, so I am really excited about this. Their skincare is just really good. It's really affordable. I really like it. So that is the next item. Then we have a little hydrating face mist, which I will definitely be trying out. Ooh, and lastly, we have an eyebrow pencil. Let's open it up and have a look. Okay, so that is the shade. I might try it on my brows. Wish me luck, this could go very badly. Okay, so I did this brow. It is a touch too dark for me, but if you press quite lightly, it doesn't come out too dark. So I think it's definitely wearable, but probably on days where I'm wearing more makeup than I am today, which by the way, I'm only wearing lipstick. And yeah, I am quite the ghost and I'm quite pale and fair and blonde haired. So yeah, this is probably more for the brunette ladies, but I can just about get away with it. Okay, I quickly just did the other eyebrow. It actually looks darker on this eye, but it might just be the light. But yeah, I actually quite like it. I think I can definitely get away with it. And I needed a new eyebrow pencil. So yeah, win-win for me. So that is the entire box. I really like the eyebrow pencil. I'm really happy with the After Sun. Love the Neutrogena. The eyelash colour will come in very handy because I don't already have one. And what was the last item? Oh, the face mist, which I will use again too. So that is a good box for me. I'm really pleased. Love a bit Glossybox. I feel like there are not many subscription boxes around at the moment and Glossybox just always delivers. So there we are. Anyway, that's my video. Thank you so much. Goodbye.